Hi darlings, so today I'm showing you the NYX Smooth Whip lip colors. Now I have not tried these on yet. I'm trying them on for the first time in this video. However, as you can see, I already have a lip color on because I'm filming this part of the video after what I already filmed of me using the color Teddy Fluff. But basically, I got these lip colors as part of this gift set from NYX. It's called the Home Alone gift set, and it was on sale, so I decided to get the gift set. And these are the 4 colors I got. I did not get to choose them, obviously, so we're kind of just working with what I have, and we'll see like what I think about these colors and if I should buy more colors and should you buy this product or not. And also, like, I feel like in general, not every lip color looks good on each person because of like different skin colors and also undertones. So primarily we'll be seeing how these look on my skin tone and undertones. And by the way, I have a neutral undertone. Hopefully that helps you figure out. But let's also do arm swatches at the end. So this is the shade called Teddy Fluff, and it's supposed to be a dark nude color. So let's see what it looks like. So this is what Teddy Fluff looks like, and I really like it. I don't know if I'm crazy, but this kind of smells like chocolate to me. Maybe that's how it's scented, or maybe it's just me, but I do like this color. I think it looks good on my skin tone, and this also like went on super smooth. It wasn't like dry, because I know sometimes lip colors can be a little dry when you put them on, but this one was not dry at all. And if you look up close, that's what it looks like, and the color went on pretty smooth. I can apply another layer so you can see what a little bit more intense color looks like. And that's another layer. So now that I've put on another layer of lip color, the color definitely does show up more, and it looks a bit more like plump, I guess I would say. So I do like this shade, and I would definitely recommend this shade. So this shade's a yes for me. So this is the next color. It's called Kitty Belly, which is like a really random weird name, but it's supposed to be a nude apricot color. And let's see how it looks. And that is Kitty Belly. I'd have to look at it in the mirror. So I honestly don't really like this color. I think it's a little too bright for me. It's not my type of lip color, so I would not recommend this. And let's see how it like transfers onto my hand. So that's how much it transferred, but you can still see like the color is like pretty prominent on my lips. Like it didn't really, even though it came off on my hand, it still like stays on my lips pretty well. But again, like I would not get this color. I just think it doesn't look that good on my undertones. But maybe I could make this work with like mixing it with other colors, but the color itself, I don't like it. This is the color Cherry Cream, and this is supposed to be a true red color, and it does look exciting. I do think this color would look good on me. So that's what the lip color looks like, and I do like this. This is a yes for me. I forgot to mention the other one smelled just like the first one, and this one smells the same too. So they all really smell nice, and it's like the same fragrance throughout. This one is called Fuzzy Slippers, which is like such a fun name, and it's supposed to be like a red berry color. So if you look, it's kind of like dark purple, and let's see what it looks like. And this is the final look. So it doesn't look as dark as the lip color, but I actually like this color. It definitely does have that red berry look to it, but the packaging is definitely deceiving. But overall, I would still buy this color. So now that we've tried all of these colors, it's time to do arm swatches. I still have this one on my lips right now. So let's start with that one first. Once again, this is Fuzzy Slippers, so that's what it looks like on my arm, and that's what it looks like on my lips, so pretty much the same, but I do think it looks slightly darker on my arm. And then now I'm going to be showing you Cherry Cream, which is the red color we had. And it definitely looks really red, which is great. And then my least favorite color, which was Kitty Belly. So as you can see, it's like that orange color. I just think the undertones of it are not good for my complexion, but I think somebody else could make that color work, just not me. But I want to know what you guys think about that color. And then finally we have Teddy Fluff. So that is all the swatches, and overall I think these colors are nice, but I would just switch out that one color for a different color, but I obviously can't do that because it's a gift set. So when I bought the gift set, I just get whatever is in the gift set. So those are the swatches. As you saw, like, it doesn't really transfer too badly, so like that's how much comes off, but the color is still on my lips, which is what matters at the end of the day. So that was my smooth whipped collection, and if you want to see more shades or different lip reviews, let me know in the comments. Bye.